I don't need to be good at maths. I'm good at politics.
As the leader of a political party?
I'm good at politics.
And the economy is the biggest issue in the next election. You don't need to be good at maths, you think?
No, I'm saying I don't need to be good at maths as a politician. What I do need to be good at is the politics of what we want to do. So what we want to do is to bring about a new type of Ireland which is based upon decent public services. So for me, it's a mathematical injustice that we have a health service that has record numbers of people on trolleys, which has record numbers of people not being given elective surgery within 6 months, which can't send citizens home who are medically discharged because it isn't safe. Now, for me, it's very simple justice, but it's also good mathematics and it's good economics, that you should look after all of those people because it will cost the state more in the longer term. It's also good mathematics and good economics to have people that work in meaningful jobs with decent terms and conditions. It's also good to have our young people back home working in the place that they were born in, if that's what they want to do, as opposed to be forced out of the place.